Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Remove furniture from half the room and tape edges. This keeps dust and drips contained. Clean the surface to remove grease so paint bonds. Use a sponge and mild detergent. Rinse and let dry. Sand any shiny patches so primer grips. Once done, choose a primer matched to your plastic paint and apply one steady coat. For stained or repaired areas, add a second coat. These steps ensure adhesion and an even finish when you paint. Now you mix and apply. Stir the plastic paint for several minutes to reincorporate pigments and solvents so color and sheen are uniform. Pour into a tray. Cut in along corners and trim with a 2 to 3 inch angled brush so edges look sharp. Then, using a 9-inch roller with a 3/8 inch nap, roll in 1.2 meter sections. W pattern then fill to avoid lap marks. Make sure to maintain a wet edge and check lighting to catch missed spots. Finish methodically. Wait the manufacturer's recommended dry time before the second coat so the first film cures and won't pull. Lightly sand any dust nibs with 220 grit, wipe clean, and apply the second coat perpendicular to the first to blend and build opacity. Once done, remove tape when paint is tacky to avoid peeling. If you get drips, don't panic. Sand the drips smooth, feather the edges, clean the dust, and touch up with a small brush for an invisible repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.